Hi, this is Alina with Heirloom Roses, and today we are going to show you how to get your pruners ready for the beginning of the growing season. It is a fast, simple, but very important task for the health of your garden. Throughout the growing season and over the years of use, your pruners will become damaged. Rust, mineral deposits will begin to form on your pruners. These pruners have been used for over several years. As you can see, they've lost their spring as well. These pruners were only used one growing season. However, the use of disinfectants like bleach and alcohol, as well as just use, has formed mineral deposits and rust around the metal pieces. So it is very important to begin to clean your pruners at the start of the new growing season. A great solution for cleaning your pruners for at-home gardening is a vinegar soak. These pruners have sat in this vinegar soak for 24 hours. After 24 hours have passed, you can then remove your pruners from the vinegar soak and use a bristle brush along with a microfiber cloth to scrub off any remaining rust, dirt, and mineral deposits from your pruners. What I like to do is I like to dip my bristle brush in the vinegar and pick up some of the liquid because that helps with the dirt removal. And you can see that soak really did its job because look how easily all of that dirt and rust is coming off. You can also kind of dip them in there, give them a good little rinse. Be patient, take your time, don't rush through this. Try to get every little bit that you can, and when you feel like you've done one side sufficiently, you can use the microfiber cloth to scrub off any of the liquid and then turn them over to the other side. And feel free to repeat this process as many times as you feel necessary, not even 5 minutes, and a whole season's worth of dirt already come off. Good as new. And one last thing that's also very, very important is to lubricate your blades. Now, any lubricating oil works. Make sure to spray that evenly across the pruners in all of the little crevices, and then use your microfiber cloth to scrub off any excess. After cleaning your pruners, you might notice that they're a little bit dull. Sharpening your pruners will be an ongoing process throughout the season because as you cut plants, your pruners will continue to dull. So it is very important, both for the health of your plant and for the health of your pruners, that you always sharpen the blades. Any simple sharpener will do. Make sure to follow any safety precautions when you're doing this. And it doesn't need to be a very long process, but you will need to do this continuously as you are pruning flowers in your garden. And that's how you clean your pruners for spring. I hope you can use these clean new pruners to cut some beautiful blooms for your home.